welcome to my channel. But let me ask you, do you like pickles? I do. Do you like to eat low carb or maybe keto? I'm doing that now. Have you ever had fried pickles? Do you like them? Do you have an air fryer? Doesn't everybody? Well, today I'm going to make for you the easiest and the most delicious air fryer fried pickle spears. So if you want to see how I made them, stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Just so you know, I also have a second channel. It's called Air Fryer Recipes 101. I'll put the link down below for you in that more section. I thought about putting this recipe on the air fryer channel, but that channel is much smaller than this one. So I'm going to put it on here, and then maybe I'll change it up a little and put it on there too. So anyway, I'm in New Jersey. It's been a hot minute since I made a video. I was under the weather with bronchitis and a sinus infection, and I was on all kinds of medicine. So I'm finally turning the corner, which is good. But the weather's insane. It's been an extremely cold winter here. The weather's nuts, and now it's raining. I don't know. It goes from like the teens to 50. It's nuts. So it's a wonder everybody's getting sick. But anyway, enough chit chat. I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you. Just hit that subscribe, and that's all there is to it. And you just get a notification when my next video is coming. So for now, I think we're going to get started. So what do we need? Well, obviously, if you're making fried pickles, you need pickles, right? Now, I've been in restaurants where I've been served pickles and their chips, pickled chips. I've gotten pickle spears. They serve them different ways. But today, we're going to do pickle spears. So let me pull out this dish, and I have a piece of paper towel on it to drain my pickles. And here, oops, I have my container of dill pickle spears. So these are different sizes. They're already cut. So hopefully, oops, you can see. Now, do I want to leave it like this, or do I want to cut it in half? I don't know. I think I am going to leave it like this. So we shall see. So the recipe does call for 4 large dill pickles. And it says slice your pickles into fry-shaped pieces. And then you're supposed to pat them dry with a paper towel. So there's bigger ones in here and there's smaller ones. So let me see. I'll figure out what I'm going to do. They do smell good. I love pickles. And if you're watching your carbs and you're on any kind of a weight loss plan or anything like that, pickles are a freebie. You can eat as many pickles as you want. So I'm going to take these out. And oh yeah, this is a skinny one here. See what I mean? My hands are clean. So I think 3 of those would make a whole pickle maybe. I'll bring out another one and I'll decide as I go along. Now this is pretty heavy, so I might cut that. All right, so let me move my pickles aside. These are kosher dill pickle spears. All right, so let me grab another piece of paper towel and put it on the top, and I'm going to pat these so they're not all wet. Alrighty. Now let me see what I want to do. This one I'm going to leave it as it is. This one's pretty thick, so I don't think it matters. I think it's your preference, but I'm going to cut that one in half. So I have just two smaller pieces, but I think you really should leave these a decent size. Okay, I'll just make this one a little tiny bit smaller. All right. Oh my gosh, they smell good. I made my own pickles and I'm pretty good at it. They came out really good. I jarred them and all. First time I made them the pickle spears, and then the second time I cut them into the little circles. All right, and now I'm gonna eat a piece of this. Good. All right, let me just pat these dry again. Now, obviously, you're going to need an air fryer. I have my Ninja here. I've had this for quite a while, and I love it. I use it a lot. So we're going to use that today. I shouldn't be talking with food in my mouth, should I? No. All right, let me move this aside. Now, I take a bowl and I'm going to put my mixture in here that I'm going to coat the pickles with. So you're going to need 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. So I have fresh grated Parmesan cheese here, 1 cup. Then you're going to need a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now this is a very tasty recipe. I've seen people do this with just Parmesan cheese, but nah. We want to do A+ version of it. Next, we're going to put 1 teaspoon of paprika in there. Okay. And a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to eyeball it. And let me just take a fork or a whisk and combine all this. Now, normally you just need these 4 ingredients. However, if you want an extra crispy texture on your pickles, and a way to allow the pickles to be fully coated, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of regular flour to this mixture. So I'm going to do that today. It enhances the crunch, and I like crunchy pickles. So I already put 2 tablespoons in here. I'm going to put some of this in and mix it in. Like I say, that's optional. You don't have to do that. Okay. Alrighty. Sure smells good. I don't know if I want to throw in the whole 2 tablespoons. What do you think? Yeah, why not? It's only a little bit of a difference. Alright, so let me mix that. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the inside of my air cooker with a non-stick spray. So I have that over here. Get that out. Righty. Now I'm going to coat my pickles with the mixture. However, there's one more step. I have an egg here, and I'm just going to use the egg white. I'm going to whisk it, and then I am going to coat my pickle spears with the egg white, and then I'm going to coat it with my dry mixture, and then we'll put it in the air fryer. So let me crack this. just want our white in there. Okay. As I said, we just want our white in there. Have you seen the price of the eggs? I'm sure you all have. Well, I went to Aldi's a couple of weeks ago, and they had them for $3.99. I think I told you about that in one of my videos. Okay. Now, I went to Aldi's a couple of days ago. I think it was Sunday. And they were $5.99 a dozen, and it was limit 2 per person. Well, today I had to pick up something, so I went into Stop and Shop, and they were all $8.99 a dozen and up, depending on which ones you selected. So it was really hard to get a dozen eggs for less than, say, $10. Crazy. All right, so this is all the white. All right, now I have a little brush here. So let me bring my pickles over, swing them over here, take them off the dish. I have my mixture in here, so I am going to coat the egg white mixture on both sides, and then I'm going to coat it with, use my fork, with the dry cheese mixture. And this is what you want it to look like. So let me place that down there, and just continue doing that until you have them all done. Just brush the egg white on the pickle, place it in the cheese mixture, press the mixture down on it because you want it to stick to the pickle. And then remove it. Okay. So let me do a couple more off camera, and then I'll show you in a minute what we're going to do next. Okay, I have here maybe 7 spears. I have enough mixture here to probably do, I don't know, another 4 or 5 more. So I'm going to turn my air fryer on. I'm going to put the temperature on 400. We're going to put these babies in the basket that I sprayed, and we're going to let them fry in there for 6 to 10 minutes. And then we'll take them out and see what they look like and do a taste testing. So let me turn this on. I'm going to put it on 400. I'm going to set it for, it says 6 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to set it for, I don't know, 7 minutes. And then I'll look at it and see if I think they're done. Let me take out the basket. Got my tongs. I'm going to put each one in. I have the skin side down. If my daughter was here, her mouth would be watering. She loves fried pickles. Okay. I think we can fit one more in there. Let me move this over a little bit. And get this baby in there. Okay. Don't have them overlapping. Have a single layer. All right. So let me put the basket in, put it on, and I'll be back to check them and see how they're coming. So don't go away. Well, there's less than a minute left, and I put them on 7 minutes first, and they got nice and brown, but it depends. I like them a little bit more crispy. So I'm letting it go the full 10 minutes. It says that actually 6 to 10 minutes. So they'll be done in a second, and we'll see what they look like. But better yet, we'll see what they taste like. They're looking good. They're nice and brown. They look crispy. And as I mentioned before, the flour is optional. And if you do put it in, you're adding, what, a couple of grams of carbs for the flour. But if you leave the white flour out, you have a delicious carb-free snack. So let me see. Oh yeah, oh yeah. These look good. All right, I'm gonna take a picture so I can put it in for you. Okay, they're sizzling, and I have my tongs here. Let me see. Ow, and I also have now my burned hand. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? I'm gonna plate them here. Oh yeah. They're a little too hot to eat. This one came out very crispy. Oh yeah. Mmm. Looking good. A lot of people serve these with like some type of a ranch dressing on the side. Whatever you like. Okay. Alrighty. Oh yeah. Last one. I think they're a little too hot to eat right now. I think I better wait a second. I'm gonna burn my mouth. They probably even get a little crispier as they cool off. Oh yeah. Look at the back. There might be a little bit of coating that comes off, but not much. So make sure when you put the egg white on there, you pat your coating on there. Okay, well, I'm going to do a little taste testing now. I just hope I don't burn my mouth because they are hot. This one's nice and crispy. And it smells heavenly. So let me tell you what I think. Very tasty. I have seen these made where people, all they do is take a pickle spear and roll it around in Parmesan cheese and put it in the air fryer. What I did do, forgot to mention it, when I pulled out my basket, I did spray the top of these with a little of my non-stick spray also while they were baking. But these are good. I would definitely serve them with a little ranch dressing or something on the side to dip them in. And give them a thumbs up. I made the spears. I guess if you wanted, you could make them a little smaller. It's up to you. So anyway, thanks for watching. Another quick, low-carb, keto appetizer or snack that you can make that will satisfy your taste buds. I say no reason to deprive yourself. Everything in moderation and just plan for it. So, thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. My channel is approaching 10,000 subscribers. It's taken me forever. So, if you want to press that subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. It would help me a lot. So take care, everyone. I love you. I'm going to get out some ranch dip myself and eat a few of these. So I'll see you soon. Toodles!